As huh. Subhash Chandra Bose ji, he was arrested because of his Sirajudollah Day. Okay, British army arrested him, kept in the home arrest, but he escaped. After escaping, he went to Singapore. By that time, interesting thing was that Japan emerged into the superpower. We know that, and Japan started its superiority in the Asia. Asia, whatever the European colonies were there, one by one, Japan already started regain. For example, Vietnam from France, okay, Indonesia, Dutch, even Myanmar. Myanmar also British colony, it already occupied, and Singapore. When Singapore was got under the control of Japan, he was very much optimistic. Then Subhasji realized that we can get independent from the British with the help of this Japan. He trusted on that. Yeah, he escaped. I told you. So then he went to Singapore. He went with the Japan. Then he went to these and more powerful leaders at the time of first half of Second World War. May I get it? Who are the two leaders? First half of Second World War until 1941, Atlantic Charter. Until that, they created terror on the world. None other than anyone? Any idea? Vikramji,
Sir, no, sir.
Vishnu Kumarji, any idea? Yeah, that. Uh, so first half of Second World War, two prominent leaders, they created terror. Even Russia also feared that Russia also going to be defeat. And that two country were none other than Germany and Italy. Germany leader Hitler by that time, and Mussolini, Italy leader. And Subhasji met with the German Hitler and Mussolini. He took the support from that. And in the meantime, what happened as India, please note down, as India was fighting with the, I mean, supporting with the, on behalf of England, there was a Japan Indo-Japanese war. Okay, Japan and Sino-Japanese war. England and Japan during the World War II, they met. In that war, England lost in the hands of Japan, and the Indian soldiers who fought on behalf of England against Japan, England government did not bother about the war army. I mean the that war prisoners. They left to die in Japan and they returned back. Try to understand. During this World War II, there was a war between Sino-Japanese, means England and Japan. In Japan army anyhow strong, but British army supported by most of the Indians. And in that war, one of the war, in that war, Japan won, and British government without rescuing or without taking back of the Indian army or the Indian soldiers, more than 40,000 soldiers were left in the Japan without rescuing them. As a result, Japan arrested them in the name of POW, prisoners of war. And when this Subhasji met with the Japan government handed over this more than 40,000 POW, prisoners of the war. By taking those prisoners of war, he created the new army that was only called as the in Azad Hind Fauj or Indian National Army. Later on, so many Indians, they were interested to join with that. Lady regiment also we created in that Jhansi Lakshmi regiment, right? So it was one of the period of completely, we can say very aggressive. Okay, entire world when it was terrorized by the name of Hitler and Mussolini. So by that time, Subhasji able to get the support of Japan, Germany, Mussolini, that is Italy, towards India. So that was great step taken by him. Unfortunately, yeah, he gave some slogans also. Chelo Delhi from Singapore. He hoisted the Indian freedom. He declared in the Myanmar, Burma. Then from Burma, with the help of Indian National Army, they wanted to join and they wanted to move towards Delhi. And from hoisting the national flag, he gave the slogan Chelo Delhi. Okay. In spite of all this, when there was a plane crash, and till now it is believed that it is not sure whether he escaped or died with the plane crash. So that period was one of the great contribution to Indian nationalism, and the great hero, Jai Hind, or that is none other than Chelo Delhi, or one more, he told, give me blood, I'll give you freedom. Azad Hind Fauj, or Indian Legion in Germany, he created. That was the greatest contribution of Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay, so till now we saw that CDM, how the CDM was started, until that CDM two phases. First phase, from whom we got the support, what type of common people, agriculture, peasants, industrialists, railway workers, women participation, a good movement. It was started. Dandi March we have seen. Then, in the meantime, as there was a roundtable conference, Gandhiji's agreement with the, I mean, Gandhi Irvin Pact, Gandhiji's attendance in the where roundtable conference, again written back by that time, relaunching of the CDM, next suspension of the CDM. That part we read. Next part we read another great leader, unknown, that much of respect which we didn't give in the freedom struggle, men of blood and iron, as like Bismarck of Germany, we can say. Here he was none other than Subhash Chandra Bose with his Azad Hind Force. Next class, we'll as Japan already briefed. What was the concept of Gandhi? Once again, how Gandhiji come forward and launching of third movement, Quit India movement. Then the role of Muslim League for two nation theory, important issue. Okay, and if it is possible, by next two periods, we can complete independent of India. Is it clear? I hope you are understanding. Yeah, one more test I will conduct regarding this until Subhash Chandra Bose, near about 50 only objectives. Get ready. Once you recollect all this, I'll send the question paper to ma'am, and you are going to write. This time Google form I will conduct. I'll send it to ma'am, right? Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, hello. Ma'am, are you there? Ma'am, I think, yeah, ma'am. Okay, class, get ready, get prepared for that test. I'll conduct near about 50 objectives I'll send. Please prepare well, right?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, good. Take care. Bye. Ma'am is there or not? Now, sir is
Yes.
going to take the class, I think. Srinivas sir, I think, taking the class. Okay. Uh, Good evening, sir.
Sir, actually, I'm Shamla. This is my
Oh,
son's
ma'am. Yes,
laptop.
ma'am.
I'm
Okay.
logging in from that.
Sorry.
Yeah, I can continue, sir. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. I mean,